welcome to our tutorial on how to delete locked files and folders. Follow this video and you will be able to delete it. Sometime when you try to delete it, it throws an error. Most common error will be permission denied, or sometime will face the issue like file is already in use. In order to delete it, we can change the file properties to gain access, or force delete using command prompt, or you can use a task manager to kill the task that is using the file. So let's begin. Let me show you the file and the folder which I cannot delete. So this is my folder where I have locked files. Let's delete the first file, and as you see it has thrown an error. The error is file access denied. Let me try deleting a folder and the same error pops out. It again says permission denied. So we can forcefully delete this by using command prompt. So go to search bar, type cmd and run as an administrator. As you can see, I have a command prompt on my left while my command to be executed are on right. So let's follow it step by step. Go to the folder, select the file and copy the location as shown in video. Now go back to command prompt and type cd/d space, press Ctrl V and hit enter. dir/x and hit enter. We'll now first delete the file, so follow this command. To delete the file, we'll use this command. Now type del/f /q /s and go to the file that you want to delete, copy, select it and press Ctrl C. Now press Ctrl V and hit enter. Now as you can see, the file is deleted. Now we'll try to delete the folder. Type rmgir/q/s, select the folder name and press Ctrl C and then press Ctrl V. Hit enter. Now you can see we have access denied issues. So in such scenarios, in order to delete, we'll have to change the properties of the folder. Now go back to folder, refresh it and see if we can see we have the file deleted. Now select the folder, right click, go to properties and click on security. Click on edit. Here you will have to change the permission for each user. So uncheck the box for denying. This needs to be done for each user as shown in the video. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Now select the folder and press delete. Now you can see the folder is deleted. Refresh it. Now the folder is gone. So the folder is deleted. Now we'll see how to delete files which are currently in use with other background applications. Here the file is in use by Microsoft OneDrive. So an error popped out while deleting it. So to delete it, right click on taskbar, open task manager, go to background process, look for Microsoft OneDrive, select Microsoft OneDrive and click on end task. Close this window, go back to folder, select the file and press delete. Now you can see the file is gone after refreshing. I hope this has helped you. Please help us by reaching 100,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching.